Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a mummy makeup tutorial. So starting off, I'm just going to go in, I'm going to do my base makeup, just foundation, concealer, bronzer, all the works. Starting off, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me's Matte and Poreless Foundation. Then I'm going in with Tarte's Creaseless Concealer. Hard Candy's Highlight and Contour Stick, we're just going to go in with the contour side. Rare Beauty's Bronzer Stick. Then I'm going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me's Pressed Powder. I'm going to set my face. And then last but not least, I'm going to go in for my brows. I'm going to use LA Colors Brow Pencil. So I've seen a few people do makeup looks like this, and I'm realizing I probably made it a little more difficult than it had to be. So you can actually do this first instead. I'm gonna take washi tape. If I could just get my hair out of my face, that'd be great. So I'm gonna take this tape and I'm going to rip it in half. Hopefully, maybe not. Okay. I'm gonna take the straight edge part and make sure that's on the inside. And I'm gonna replace this down on my forehead. And then taking the same, make sure the straight edge is here. Trying to keep it even. Perfect. Kind of. Just like so. Right? Is this even? Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just gonna take my paint stick and I'm gonna try and just swipe it and not rip the paint up. And then we should be able to just peel it. And we'll have our straight line. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, perfect. It's not a perfect bandage, but like it's a start. I don't know if I would use the same ones though for that paint specifically. I mean, theoretically, you probably could have just put the tape down first, but this also gives you more control on how like thick you want the bandages to be. I mean, regardless, it's going to be much better than my first attempt at a mummy makeup look. I thought it would be like an easier last minute type of look. I just was not happy with how it looked, so that one's just not even, I'm not posting that one. Anyway, I kind of want one to go down in between. I don't know, actually I shouldn't because it'd make me look like I have a unibrow on it. So we're gonna do one here. My hair's a little bit in the way on this one. It's okay if you do what I just did. We can always add a line over it for another bandage. Get it out of my hair. Okay. Not perfect. We'll fix it. I'm thinking we just do one like diagonal like this. See if I can reuse this one. I'm just gonna have to like touch up a couple spots. Because of where the bandages are, I'm making a mess with the paint. Maybe don't reuse them then, I don't know. I just don't want to be like super wasteful. You could possibly just like blend it in, right? At least a little bit. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to use this one again. I'm gonna stop here and then we'll connect it to another one or something. Just be careful when placing it over tape or over paint. It's looking a little weird. My hair is not helping with how it looks. I kind of want one to go across. I don't know how that'll look. Okay, this is super uncomfortable. And it's touching my eye a little bit. I don't know what to do from there. Let's just connect this one. this is stressing me out. The hair. I'm gonna have one go here too. This does not seem like it's gonna work very well. Could just add another one going up, I guess. Like, we just need like one more here. Okay, so I just kind of started doing this. I wasn't recording. I just started dragging these down, and I'm using the whole stick to make it like a wider bandage. I don't really want to drag it too far down. I think that's good though, but I do need to actually clean this up. I'm thinking of just going in with a little bit of concealer. Probably gonna take Rimmel London's concealer. This white is just such a mess. That's my main problem. So I'm gonna take a paper towel and wet it. And just see about wiping it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna try to keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna try out the Wednesday Addams white liner. I've used the black one. I've never used the white one before. Honestly, it might not work because I haven't opened it ever. It looks kind of shiny. I think this one's the best. I really like that. I don't know if I'd call that liner. I'll get the black out. No, I don't want to use the paint. Then with the black Wednesday liner. I'm not sure what these liners or these wings are. I just don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna put lashes on and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so the lashes kind of fix it a little bit. I'm thinking that I'm gonna leave the septum, it's fine. I need to wipe this off. But I'm thinking that I touch up the lines that I smudged. I've been debating on the lips. I think I just do like a top coat. I have the e.l.f. one. My lips are looking a little chapped, which actually kind of goes with the look. But I think I'm going to do the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss. It's probably expired, but I'm still going to use it. Something simple. Then I might get some black eyeshadow and go underneath my eyes. First, I'm just going to take Wet n Wild's Color Icon palette, and I'm just going to do like lightly adding a little bit of the black up here. Nothing crazy. Just to connect it a little bit to the sad wings. No like rhyme or reason. And then I'm gonna take, I guess this shade right here, it's closest to silver. And I'm just gonna do it right here. Still a little muddy with the black there. Kind of wipe some of that black off maybe. I don't know. You know, remind me, it's not like we're fully glam anywhere, realistically. Perfect. I just like put this black up a little higher. And then I'm gonna take a little bit, that's whatever's left over on the brush. And just go under my eyes. Use that a little bit more. I'm gonna do my lower lashes with my e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara because I feel like I got too much glue on to ignore them. And then I'm gonna take black liner and I'm going to just do under my eyes, my lower line, waterline. I've really been liking doing my like lower line black, although I feel like I should be doing it white to make my eyes look bigger. But I'm just gonna fix this line with a smudged. And then I'm gonna take my hair down and we're gonna see how this looks. Okay, so here's the final look. It's not perfect. But like if you need to do kind of a zombie, but you don't really, a zombie? It's not perfect, but like if you need to do like a mummy look and you don't have like all the stuff to do it, I feel like the black and white paint, black liner, black eyeshadow, anything would be good and would be helpful. It's a little bit messy because I use the Mehron stick. But yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below to see more makeup content from me this Halloween season. I'm also going to be playing some video games and baking. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.